Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is my 28-inch Amaya Raine. I do love this doll. I wish they would have, as the rumor was, made another girl with a different colored hair and different makeup, but they haven't, and I don't think they're going to. Today I am doing a collab with Dory's Dollies that we invited you to our challenge, and it was pretty picnic dress. And so I took it kind of literal, and I made a dress that looks like a picnic table fabric. And I did that for a purpose, because I'm going to give you a little trivia. Did you know that the United States of America was not the top country until after World War II? That's when we became a great nation. And when World War II was over, everybody went back to work. The government put everybody to work building roads, building buildings, building homes, highways, and we became a great nation known throughout the world. I made her dress out of a simple gingham print, which is something that prior to even the 1960s, a housewife would have bought because it was inexpensive, and made clothing and tablecloths and curtains out of, because women did that. Up until about the 1960s, men really did look for wives that could cook and sew. We didn't eat out. We didn't buy a lot of clothing in stores until about that time, unless you were high society. If you were high society, you may have, or you may have just bought a more expensive fabric. I also made her little shoes, her little slide-ons, and won't they be cute for Christmas? I don't know. I made them, and then it was like, oh, don't they look like Christmas ribbon candy? So you'll probably see those again come Christmas. I'm asked, where did I get my stand for Amaya Raine? Darren actually prints these. Yes, we do sell them in our online store. I have to look to see if there's any up there, but that's where I got my stand. I'm very blessed that Darren 3D prints a lot of my doll items, very blessed. And he also prints the shoes. If you have a video today of your Amaya Raine in her pretty picnic dress, or on a picnic, or however you want to show her, would you leave that in my comments? I do not want to miss your video. And thank you so much for joining in. And thank you, Dory. You come up with the cutest ideas, and you're so fun to work with. And be sure and join us on the 16th for Dolls Gone Goth, and the 18th for Hi Barbie. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I knew someone would ask, so let's try it on her and see. Here's their body types. I'll tell you, they're not as far off as I thought they were. Let me pull her arms up and have a look at the size. Let me turn her around. While they are a lot alike, they are quite different too. Let me turn them just a little bit. Let me turn her this way. I guess they're close, but they're not. Let's try this dress on her and see. Without the darts, I think this would work. It fits better than I thought it would, to be honest. You could cut the back wider from the Amaya Raine pattern, and then that would fit. Actually, I have this tucked pretty good. And you'd also have your hole for the stand. So it's not awful for the pear-shaped smart dolls. I don't know. It's not bad.